Hi, Shruti, can you hear me?
Yes, Vinay, I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you. So today I'm going to talk about the URLs, template URLs. So already we seen when we working on a static and static files, we use the certain tags where I'm opening my this thing where here we use the some percentile static. It is we are giving the JS or CSS files. So each which will if saying that we are loading here, these files are we are loading use the static where we are using the static keyword and we are loading these files. And also we learn the about the variable tag, and this is the tag. I mean this is the template tag. We learn about that, and here yeah, these things we learned previous classes. So today I'm going to talk about the URLs, template URLs, where here if you see this documentation, so whatever the other things are we given URLs, the we are up to now we are following, we are whatever the path we given here, that is where we are navigating the path. So now if you see documentation, give me a second, I will show you something. I'll show you some URL paths. URLs with template templates. So that the documentation, yeah, the documentation, yeah, where is that? Okay, we will go with the dispatcher. So we already seen some URL related stuff where we are using this first parameter as a URL query string. So then what we did yesterday, I will run my project now. I will open. I will open this URL. So in this URL, the home page is welcome, and we went to this create page, and this create page is to create a product. We created this product as well, this page. So to create a product, we wrote for functionality for create functionality using this particular input fields. So that for that we what we did first we created one model, and model there we took the three fields. One is name, description, price. Then we went to form. Form we added those fields and the metadata as the model as a product. Then after that, what we did, we created the view page. In the view page, what we did here, after checking that particular field is valid, then we are saving. Then we are rendering that particular variable to the template. So in the template, we are able to see that. For this create product, we went to URLs. In the URLs, we declared one path. On that path, I given a where the this particular where method is located, and also that name, what you call the name of this particular path. I have given this. Up to now, we did. I mean, we know that this similar these things we know. So today, I'm going to talk about the URLs where we can minimize the our efforts. So what I will do, first of all, I will create another thing. I will display. So these are the I'm stopping my server. Here the all the this page contains all the products, all the products. Copy here. Uh, this is where products. This is the products. I will give this one a product underscore list. These are the all the products. For that, what I will do, I will go view page. Where the view page, I will write the uh, def def pro pro products colon. So first we need to give the parameter as a request req ues request. There return render. First we need to pass the request req request and the HTML page product underscore list underscore. I need to pass the context here. Context. So context is what is the context? I need to create a context variable. Context of yeah. Context is equal to under this pro products colon product pro duct product context context product. First thing is we need to import the product also there. So in the models we have the product is there, right? Product. So go to here. I am your import dot models. So from import more product. Now product dot object dot all all and this thing and products we then context is equal to this context. So what we did, we are displaying all the products information. So this is products dot html. This products dot html page. So I need to create this HTML page. Go to here, copy this, go here, and paste it. That is products page. So here, what I need to do, I need to show all my these things, right? What I will do, I will copy this content. I will paste here, and I will use the for loop to print all the values. So percentile for product to use it product in products, then I will use li 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 to close this one. So here I will print the values. First value is this product dot name. I will print that, and then this is the price. I will print that price, product name, and price, and yeah, that's it. These are the enough. So now I will close the for loop. Close the for loop. End for. This is over. It should be here. It should be here. And for so I'm printing all the values in the HTML page. So now what I will do, I will go to the URLs page. On the URL page, this value is there. Now I will up the server. So now again I will refresh this thing, refresh this page, and here what I will do, product underscore list list. So it is saying that product list, sorry, products. So it displays all the products here. So it displays all the products. H1. Why it is not given? Okay. This is the H1. All the products information. Okay. I will close the H1. So when I refresh this thing, yeah, this is all the products where we have these many products are there, it is displayed. So under this particular where go to here under the models URLs, we have products are there and create product is there, that is displayed. But now if you see there is a lot of code is I mean keep on we are writing this code is we are keep on writing, and this HTML we are writing, and also all the pages the sub certain these are certain information as we are keep on adding. So to minimize this thing, I will create a one base HTML. First thing is I will create one base HTML, base dot HTML, base dot HTML. So this base dot HTML, it contains the all the information about this thing. I will copy and paste here, and this base HTML where the things are which is specific to the application. So those things are what I will do. I will remove that. In that place, I will add the one new what you call block. That is block is like that. Block is this block where it contains the application specific functionality. Block body block bo body underscore block body block. Yeah, I'm closing the block. It contains the application specific functionality. Application specific functionality. So that's correct. Yeah, this contains the application specific functionality. Why it is showing as the this color? Stop. Yeah. Okay. So when I'm going with another page, I will remove all the things. I will keep uh this content. I will remove all the things. I will extend the my base class here. So how to extend percentile extends base base dot html, and this I will add the body block again percentile block body block body body block, and we need to end body block, end body block, and this one. So in this, what I will do, I will write this specific functionality. So this is where, so I extended this particular this thing. I use this I extended this base dash HTML. This thing I'm wrote in the I wrote the application specific this particular index.html based code here. Same thing. What I will do, I will copy this thing. I will go to create the page. I will remove. I will remove all the things. So I will copy only create this particular form. I will paste copy here. I will paste it here and I will remove all the things and this is enough. So same thing, I will copy index this thing. I will go product display and paste it here. I will copy this only this time. I will paste it here. I will remove remaining everything. So this is where, yeah, this is application specific functionality I wrote here. You can use the URL. So now again, I will start the server. I will start the server. Again, I will refresh this thing. So it is this one percentile where percentile. Okay, I will check that, but this is the home page. Why percentile is added? 1 second, I will check that. And create. What is the last one? This create products, I think. Again, yeah, this thing, but I will check the percentile why it is added here. So I went to where this index page. Correct. Percentile block percentile. This is correct. But base URL. So somewhere, yeah. The problem is why it is added percentile. Percentile. Percentile I need to remove. Then correct. So now I will go here. I will refresh this thing. Now percentile is gone. Percentile is gone. Then welcome page. That is index page. What is that index page? Okay, there is no index, right? So welcome page. So what we minimize the HTML code using these tags. So we minimize the a lot of things. So just we are using the application specific functionality, and we we are printing the required information. So, but the base class contains the all the information what we required. So again, if you see the screen, so first base class it is contain the all the things, but I have added one body block. This body block, what I'm saying, this is where we can print the we can develop the our specific application specific functionality. And what I did, I went to create page. Just I use the again body block, but I before that I extended. I use the application specific functionality. Here in this index page also I'm writing something, and this is also I wrote. So this is application specific functionality. So now what I will do here, I need to maintain certain things. So what I will do, this thing where if you see this, we are writing, I mean, we are giving create product page and name also. But when you come to the create product page where we can change this one, but accordingly our requirement we can change or we can I mean append certain things. but whatever the changes are there here, this is and affecting the entire application. To minimize, to avoid that scenarios, what we'll do, we are depending on the name. So to use the name, we can navigate to the entire application. How to do that? I will create one HTML page that is uh, what is the nav bar, nav now, but this already is there in a bootstrap dot html. So this HTML, what I will do, uh, I will develop something. So again, I will copy paste, or else I will copy paste. I mean, writing all of these things. I will copy paste this thing. So this is the welcome page. This is the create page. This is the list page. So here, whatever the values I have given here, the index page and the create product book list, product list. So I will copy paste here. But to do, I mean, generally what we need to, what will happening, generally without this thing also we can do, uh, go to, I mean, this thing where index dot, this thing is there, right? We can copy the uh, relevant path, and go to navbar, paste it here. Again, we can paste it the remaining errors. But this is not a correct, because this type of the things we need to avoid, because we already have the template variable is there. Use the template variable only, we can navigate to the applications. To providing this type of the path, it is not good, because tomorrow if you change anything in that particular this text, it will break. So to avoid that, what we'll do, going with the URL. So this URL, I mean, same like static. Instead of static, we are using the URL. URL, when I'm providing the URL, this where this index value is coming from URL space. This is the value name I given, right? Name. This is index will represent this particular view dot index where, and also this name is equal to create underscore product. This will represent this particular create product. Same like, so the value, whatever the name I have given, I have given here. Index, product, and product with the percentage, and we need to suffix with some prefix with the URL. So, and again, I will go to here, and what I will do, I need to navbar we created. So I need to include this navbar in my base HTML. How to include? There is a tags are there. So go to this thing container, and the container I will create the percentile include the include. What I need to provide, just I need to provide the that navibar dot html, navibar.html, navibar.html. So again, I will refresh and my page. See now, in the top of the page, there is the Django create product list is there. So we what we did, the same this thing in the same page, we are navigating. This is the navbar will help us. This navbar which we created, that is where the functionality is added to the this template. So when I click the create page, the create page is opening. All the products are displaying here, and yeah. So whatever we developed, so those are displaying in a single page now. See, all the information is available. Whatever this, suppose here, if you see this, base class, we are following certain CSS and welcome. This is the first home page, and home. This is the base class. So I went to index page. Index page, I have given this thing where I will remove now this one, not required. This is, I'm saying that home D. Welcome to Django. Welcome to Django. Welcome to Django, and also create page where this is the create page, and product here I'm writing something. So what I will write, H1, H3 I will write, H3, H3, all pro all products slash H1, sorry, H3. So again, I will go here. I will refresh this thing. Welcome to Django. This is the create page. This is all products. Okay. So this is where this particular navbar will help us, where we are giving the name of that particular path. That's where. So I think you understood, right, Shruti? Can you tell me? Can you confirm the up to here?
Yes, and I'm looking at it.
Okay, okay. I think remaining people, Ritika, Gautam, thanks for joining the class. So please watch the previous videos, I mean, so that you can understand today's video. Otherwise, it is difficult to understand.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So where I've given the URL, where this is the prefix with the URL, that's what I'm able to see the these particular these things. So here yesterday we created a few what you call records. This is first record one, laptop, that is the price, and this thing, and also we have the what are the other things we added. Go to admin page. So in the admin page, root @123 product in the products. I think you're seeing the products. These are the products. When I click on that, I can see name is bag, description, something, this thing. So, and also when I can add the value, so using this thing. So here description also there. And also I already told that there is a primary key is there. We can't see the primary key here, but when you see that when you are inserting a variable, any value to the database, that particular row, it will append, it will add with one row, that is, I mean, with the one primary key, that is a serial number, which I already told that. So what I meant to say that studio, what is that studio? What is that? SQ Light Studio. SQLite Studio. SQLite Studio. I will disconnect. I will remove this thing. Remove this thing, and I will go to my database where go here. And what is the project? This today is 35 base. This thing here. I will connect to this database. So I will connect to this database. If you see, there is a product what you call product table is there. What is the product table? Select start from basic underscore products colon. So run this one. So the values are displaying, but this ID is the primary key. So using this ID, we can, we can make this table as a foreign key using this primary key. So the primary key, which is ID, which is adding automatically when you are creating any table, any row. So when you are inserting any row, that value will be appended. This will be unique, and this should never be a blank value. So that's what the primary key. So using the primary key, I want to retrieve my data here. So what I'm doing here, I'm displaying all the products, It's displaying all the products. But what I will do, I will give one product number, one product number. Then what is that one ID value? That particular ID value only display in this list. So what I need to do, I will go here. I will go to my my this thing. So already we have these three navibars. So then I will go to I will close all all the other things. I will open the view page. So in the view page, we have the products are there. And next I want to print my, what you call, uh, one by one value. So how to do that? I mean, one value. So I want to print the one uh, product one product details. I will stop server. It will, yeah, product details. So in this request I'm passing, comma, PK, that's the primary key. So PRODUCT product. So here, what I need to do, the product I need to fetch with the given ID value. So to fetch that, one method is there to get list get object, get object with this thing. So where this method will help us, so get the product, how to pro duct product is equal to what is that method? This method I need to pass if you see this, we need to, this definition saying that we need to pass the few variables, or else go to this documentation, the Django, what will do, it will, so this is the shortcut, this method, which is, I'm talking about this method where, so see, we need to pass the model and also primary key. Also primary key, we need to pass this one. This method will, if the primary key is there, that value is there, then it will return that list of object, that particular object. Otherwise, it will give the 404 error. That is what. Here, I need to pass the model. What is the model of our model? Product. This is our model. Where is the model? This is our model. Product, comma, PK primary key is equal to PK, whatever the values we get. Then, with that, is everything is good, I want to return the context. Context. What I mean, you can give any name here, just I'm giving context is equal to, context is all the product set. But don't make any spelling mistakes. There's only PRODUCT product, colon, product. Here, this is the product. Then return, render, comma, we need to request, request, comma, the product list which is there, right? I mean, product only, I need one product list. The product list is that product underscore details. Only one product, details dot html. So I will copy this thing and I will go here, view, I will paste it here. Then I need to pass the context is equal to this context. So this product list also same. What I will do, I will go here. I will copy previous class, this thing, copy this again, product details. This is the product details. There is no for loop. So only one product is there. I'm not ignoring remaining things. Display only product in product, that's it. So only one product is that product name and price I'm printing. And also, yeah, that's it. Here, go to URLs. So under the URLs, here the tricky thing is that I will use the path. Path is equal to product underscore details. You can give any name here, comma, view, comma, what is that method? Product details, comma, name is equal to something, the product details. I'm giving everything as same. I'm giving the everything as same, but only one thing here, we need to pass the primary key. Slash primary key, our primary key is integer. So what we need to do here, int pk. So this is the primary key. So this is the only thing we are from the URL, we are passing the primary key. So product details, which is the view product.name, we gave into this thing. So same thing I need to go here under the view, So when I click on this particular, so what I mean to say that we have all the product details are there. So here I will make one thing. So when I click one product, so it should display my product details. What I need to do, I will go to the product list. I will go to the product list instead of all these things. What I will do, I create a one anchor tag. I will create an anchor tag here. A-A. So here I will do the href is equal to, again, I need to pass the variable here. This is the variable tag. What is the variable tag? This variable tag I need to pass here. I need to pass the variable tag. Okay. So no, sorry. Here we need to use the percentile. Percentile. This is the URL prefix, the URL, and this is this thing where my product details page, where go to URL. This is the product details page. Come here, product details. So I will paste this thing and I will pass the what you call product dot, this product dot pk, primary key, and that's it. And this will be my, as I said, this will be product dot name, name. So what I did, I created a this thing, I mean, anchor tag, href, this under the align, not a problem, href, prefix the URL. This is my URL name. So whatever the URL I have given, I copied and pasted here. And product pk is my primary key, and also percentile colon, and I given this thing. I will just refresh my page. I will start the server. I go here, Django. Now it is not appearing. It's supposed to should display in anchor tag. href, uh, href. What is this? I will pk basic, yeah, basic URL product. Again, I will go to this thing, product list here. So here what I did, here, if you see this, there's li, a href, URL, products, where I need to pass my product details, product.pk, yeah, same thing. So I just ran this thing. So when I click the laptop, when I create the pen, it displays its name. So it's displaying the it details. So pen details. So if you see when I click this particular hard disk, so in the top of that, top of the URL, if you see the number, this is the primary key. 3 is the primary key here. So when I click the back, the primary key is appending here. So I hope you understood, right? So here we are displaying the values using the primary key, where we are here from here. So here, if you see this, I'm passing the primary key. So that's what I can able to see my URL with the primary key. If I change manually also, it will give the its information. That's what I'm saying. So that is the about the primary key we are passing from the URL. So that is where this is helpful us. So this is one of the important where we are minimizing the things. So if you want to add some more functionality, saying that you can add the primary key and this product name, or else you want to display with the price also, that is good. But I given a what you call product name. That's what it is. Instead of you want to go with the price name also. Yeah, right. This is not a proper price. When I go with the refresh the page, the again is the price and its name. So that is not a that is another way. And we today we learn about these things, and also another concept I want to talk about that we individually we printing using this particular context. Again, yeah, one by one, like yeah, rendering, redirect. So what I will do, I will redirect the on the functionality is there. So redirect functionality. Before that, we need to import the one. I mean, so without going and updating in a HTML, we are updating here, right? Everything is we are updating basically. I mean, uh, this particular page, and we are updating in this page. So we are creating one navbar and we are creating, but I want to do a render that. When I click on the render, it will go to particular web page. So what I need to do that. So here URL, go to views again, under the views, I'm creating one method def redirect uh, re redirect, yeah, comma redirect. So this is the method name redirect me underscore me. I will create this and I will pass the request QUES request, and what the return redirect. So this is the redirect redirect where I need to use one method, that is another method, that is reverse method, that is there under URLs from Django dot URLs import re reverse reverse reverse. So this reverse what I need to reverse. What I need to reverse here, I mean, I need to redirect my base class, I mean, list actually. So, comma, pro, so what are the values are there here? So I want to go with the product list. Go to here, copy this product list. In the product list, I mean redirecting all the values. So that's it. So I will go here under URL page. The URL page again, I need to comma path, path. I need to provide my this thing. So I need to provide this particular, okay, URL comma view dot redirect me, comma, name equal to something. You can give same name. So what I will do, I will go here. I will go here. I will use this content, and instead of this thing, when I click that, I think server is stopped. Now server is up. So see, after when I redirect, click on redirect me, it is displaying the product list page. What I did, I will show you that here. If you see the this my console, the console, it is giving the 302 status code as a 302. 302 nothing but redirecting a web page where status code. If I type the 302, what is the 302? It is saying that uh, the status codes. Yeah, status code 30 found. It is a rewriting status where we are rewriting. We are not creating generally what we are doing for the product list. We are creating some. We are creating one name, and that name we are providing in a web navbar. This navbar will what will do? It will the information will provide in the HTML page. But in this redirect this thing, we are directly using this particular product list. We are when I type this product whatever the value I have given in this URL, this value directly this one, not this value. This value directly it is going to particular page, whatever the value we given. So this page, if we want to give some certain other things, suppose I want to display a create product page, copy this thing, go to view page and provide this thing here. Now go to redirect again, copy the again, go to redirect this thing. Instead of this thing, I will go here, URLS, redirect. So I will go here, copy. See, it is going to the create page. When I use this particular redirect method, it is going to create page. Whatever the values we given here, our URL, it is going that page. That is a useful improvement. This is very important. Generally, we are using this particular method to go to the another page. So here, that is information again I have provided. You may once again I will check this thing. If we not record this thing directly, you can go here, it displaying server is up or server is down. Run this. So now again use this. See, it is displaying this thing. Just it is not depending on name. Just we need to give this particular path. This path. That's it. So whether that is about the redirect, and another concept is this particular value where we is the right. Yeah. So if you see this, I have given view. So in it, I have given this. It display entire list, but I want to display this thing primary key, which is this particular URL is there, right? We are this thing primary key. Through primary key, I need to retrieve the value. So how to do that? Using the redirect functionality, copy paste. I'm copying this. I'm making as the value. So again, I need to pass the render reverse and product details. What is the product details here? And this product details. Go here, view, paste this thing. And also we need to pass the whereas with, args is equal to the what is the value, what is the key? That is a pk colon one val. I need a one val, pk colon one. So if you again, I need to say, I need to go to URL. copy paste this thing, and URL this and URL, go to copy and change this value. So again, I'm copying here. So here you have, if you pass the value as 2, so now our server is down. Server is down. Need to up the server. Right, right. So we don't need to pass. Sorry, we don't need to pass the 2 here. Already we are passing. So it displaying the value 2 here. Value 2 because sorry, value, yeah, what value passed here? That is depending on here. Under the view, I pass the 1. Suppose if I pass the 2, so again I will refresh this thing. Product redirect value. So it is displaying the value 2. So how to you make sure that go to here where product details, instead of I'm adding the product name, and here I'm adding the PK also. So again, I will go here and redirect value, value. So it is giving the second primary key, I mean this second ID and its values. So make it is more readable. What I will do, this is, I'm giving this is the value, this is the price. So this is the price. So go to your, again, copy paste this thing. So ID is 1, 2, 10 is the name is pen, and that price is $5. So that is, yeah, that is about this thing, rewriting and other things. And also, yeah, is there another thing? Yeah, final thing is another functionality which is I need to show you. So here, what we are doing, always suppose always we are giving the under the URLs. So we are, I mean, the same, the create product is there, product details are there, few functionalities there. But in a real time, the another project, suppose I have the basic underscore app project, I have the one app is there. I mean, there is another module. Suppose the sample underscore module is there. The same module there, there is index page is there. So if you the thing is that to avoid the conflict between two apps, we need to maintain the app specific functionality. In order to do that, we need to pass the app name. So app name is equal to basic underscore app. So this basic app, what will do? It will, I mean, it will, generally we are maintain the modularity here. So whatever the values we are passing here, so this is the where I need to pass the basic colon value. Here also basic colon. So basic colon, and also under the views, under the navbar, where is the navbar? Where template navbar, we need to pass this is where we can reduce the conflicts between two projects. So this particular basic app functionality. So again, I will run this thing from Django. I think server is not up. Django, where yes, create page is there. It is working as expected. So here product is not found. So where this is where product list. So again, we need to add the where is product list basic app. So somewhere it is missing. Here URL basic app we are added here. Yes, basic app we need to add here also. Yes, index page, we need to add the index page. So now again, I will refresh this thing. So template, basic template dot HTML. No, something wrong. Not the HTML pages. Not the HTML pages. We need to go with the names. Yeah, correct. No reverse product list details. Where is that? Where is the reverse? Okay. It's supposed to render through this HTML. This is correct. Reverse. And which is the line number 851. Where is that? No. The product list reverse not found. Your product details is not a valid view of the pattern. Where is this under? Okay. I understand. So go to product list. We need to add the basic app here, colon. And details not required here. Now where we added. So this is where we can don't worry, whenever you're facing any problem, there is a lot of debugging information is there. It is saying that line number 7, there is a we need to append with the product underscore app colon. So it is saying there's a problem is there. That's what it is showing this error. Now if I refresh this page, now the details are displaying. So whenever you're getting any errors, when we're working on this type of the applications, don't worry, please read the exception, what happening there, thoroughly understand the exception, then it is easy to resolve the problems. So that is where today and last functionality, rewrite functionality, and I talk about product details. The last functionality, I will close this one. Again, go to models where I created the models page. Here, I will make it as a simple things. So I already get what is that? There is a method is there. So there is a method is there. Def class def get absolute path. Yeah, absolute URL. So absolute URL where self I need to pass reverse. The thing is that yeah. So see, automatically it is giving reverse. We need to pass the from Django DJ dot URLs import. So reverse. So in the reverse, this is the page where what page I need to pass all the this content is there, right? Here, basic product details. I will copy this product details. I will paste it here. Basic product is a primary, yeah, self.pk, correct. So I will copy this thing. I will go to basic product details. Instead of all this line, the line is there, right? Instead of this thing, I will remove entire this thing. I will go here. So product dot this thing. That's it. So here, I wrote the one absolute path. What is the absolute path? Here, see this, get Django absolute path, Django absolute path. So it is giving some information. Django absolute path, shortcuts. Yeah, and the shortcuts. If you see, if you see this particular absolute path here, so it is giving the what is saying, define the absolute method to tell the Django how to calculate the canonical URL for an object to call us. This method should appear to return a string that can be used to refer to the object over HTTP. This is where we can make it as a URL. It is calculate the URL. Then based on that, it will give that particular URL. So whatever basically we minimize the things here. So it will reverse using the reverse where path we given automatically it will calculate this particular where is the product details are there, that information, this particular method having the feature. So directly we are going here, we are calling that method. So again, I'm going here, I'm refreshing things. I'm going to product list, I'm clicking that, it is working as expected. So yeah, these are the few examples about the URLs. I think this class is very important for the tomorrow's and further classes because I'm going to develop one big project. So all this information we are whatever I discussed up to now, I will implement in a particular other projects. So please work on this all the examples today. What I talk today. So we are completely working on a URLs where I covered the first thing is I covered the normal and primary key we passing rewrite tab I spoke, and also model where we can get the absolute URL using this particular method. I pass this one, the same value we given to the product list instead of giving URL, we directly can give like this. That's where the important things are there. And Navibar, yeah, try to work on this particular this thing. Today class is very important. So and do the practice so that just what I will do for this page, I will add the one login page and login page. Then when I log into that, I can go to this page and I can do my action. So based on that, we can develop a one project. It's a small project we can develop. So to develop this project, we require all these things. So any questions up to here? Are you confusing anything?
I got no questions when I have to go back and look at this video again.
Yeah, sure. Gautam?
No, sir.
Yeah, Gautam and Nikita, other people, please practice these things. Twice same project, do twice so that you will get to hands on this. So what is what? So that when tomorrow I will talk about the one project. And I'm stopping here. And thanks for the day.
Thanks, Vinay. Bye bye.